Here's a 2009 Acura TSX. A race-derived suspension system, a cabin perfectly balanced between indulgent and sport. This TSX is modern luxury, and it comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive reports the car takes corners at speed with noticeably more confidence and less body lean than the previous generation model, thanks in part to 2.5-inch wider track. Acura has a legacy of innovation, a legacy that continues here. Take it for a test drive today. Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.